What up, friends? It is day 2 of Chapter 7, Lesson 6, and we're going to continue with these real-world ratio problems. Yesterday wasn't completely obnoxious. I'm hoping we have a little bit more of that same luck today. That being said, I'll get my beautiful face out of the way. And here we go. You can, I hope you guys like bar models at this point. Carla's savings is 4 times Paulo's savings, which you can see down here. How do you compare Carla's savings to Paulo's to their total? Well, Carla has 4 parts, Paulo has 1 part, and there is 5 parts altogether. How many times their total savings is Carla's? Carla's is 4 compared to the total is 5, so Carla is 4/5. When it asks it like this, it wants it in a fraction form. How many times Carla's savings is Paulo's savings? So they're focusing on Paulo's. Paulo's is 1 to Carla's 4, so 1/4. If they have a total of 120, how much does Carla save? You divide 120 by 5 because you have 5 units. 125 divided by 5 is 24. So 24, 24, 24, 24, or 120 minus 24 is 96. Beautiful, right? Yes, 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 we did all that. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, boom, look how fast we got through that. Okay, pause me, read this, then we'll get on it together. In 5, 4, 3. In a swim and run biathlon, 2 events, Raul ran 5 times the distance that he swam. What's the ratio of the distance he ran? 5 to the distance he swam to the total distance. Okay. How many times the total distance of the biathlon is the distance Raul ran? What a mess. You know what they're really asking? What fraction did he run? Okay. Raul ran 3,200 more meters than he swam. What was the total distance of the biathlon? Well, what you got to see here is that 3,200 meters is 4 units wide. If you divide that 3,200 divided by the 4 units, we discover that each unit is 800. So to find the total distance, you're doing 800 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 4,800 meters. Okay. Holy smokes. We just did all the work. All right. Well, that's it. Okay. These are practice problems. So what's going to happen is, as always, you're going to do them. I'm going to provide the answers. These are practice, so I'm not going to go through and teach each one of these. If I get something different than you, then you got to analyze and figure out how that ended up different. Okay? All right, and I might do some of these. Ready? You can pause me, and then I'm going to start going in about 5 seconds. Okay. The initial ratio is 5 to 15 to 40 on this one, but that can be simplified if you divide them all by 5 as 1 to 3 to 8. Okay? Ratio of cranberry juice to grapefruit juice to spring water, 200 to 300 to 700, or 2 to 3. Oh, these aren't too bad yet. Ronaldo draws 3 lines of different colors, red, yellow, and green. The ratio of the length of the yellow line to the green, yellow to the red, yellow, green. Length of the red to the length of the yellow to the length of the green is 135. The yellow is 18, so you've got 1, 3, 5. The yellow becomes 18. How long is how do you get from 3 to 18? Times 6. The green is represented by the 5, so 5 times 6 is 30 centimeters. Okay? That's how those 3 work. Boom. Pause me. And in 5 seconds, I'm going to get rolling on this. Okay? All right. I guess I am teaching these. That's okay. Apple to carrots to celery is 3 to 1 to 2. Okay? The amount of apple is 720. How much more apple juice than carrot juice? Okay. Oh, apple to carrot is 3 to 1. So you can actually divide this by 3. And you get, or 720 divided by 3, hello, is going to be 180. And then you have to do, so the carrot juice is 180, and the celery, just for reference, is 360. But then how much more apple juice than carrot juice? 720 minus 180 is 540. The total amount is, oh, I did something wrong. Wait. I did something wrong. Oh, I did something wrong. 240. The 3 to 1 is 240 and 480. 720 minus 240. Oh, Mr. M is 480. What's the total amount of the mixture? Is 1440, and always with milliliters. Whew. Slow down, pay attention. The amount of savings that Anna, Beth, and Cynthia, ABC, how convenient, is the ratio 2 to 3 to 15. Cynthia has $1,575. Who has the least amount? Oh, that's easy. Anna. What is the total amount all three of them have in savings? Well, you've got 2 to 3 to 15. 15 to something is 1575. That's going to be times 105. Is that right? Yeah, 1500, 1500. Yep, 105. 3 times 105 is 315. 2 times 105 is 210. Add 210 and 315 is 525. Plus 1575, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. The total amount all three of them have in savings is 2,100. Again, not using the book. Kind of arrogant that way. Finally, on Saturday, La Petite Bakerie sold tortillas, bagels, and rolls in the ratio of 12 to 5 to 7. Oh, I might have to bar model this one. The number of tortillas sold was 50 more than the number of rolls sold. So I'm going to clear my screen, pause, and bar model this. Give me one moment. Okay, I got enough here. It says, all right, you ready? The number of tortillas sold was 50 more than rolls. There were 12 units of tortillas, 7 units of rolls. This means this 50. Whoa. That's a lot of problems. This 50 actually represents 5 units, 5 missing units right there. So now that tells us that each unit is 10. All right, so once we know that each unit is 10, how many tortillas did La Petite sell? Well, 12 times 10 is 120. And then how many tortillas, bagels, and rolls did they sell? 120 plus 50 plus 70 is 240. All right, boom, boom, boom. Mrs. Wilson making taters. Pause it. I'm going to fill it out and we'll talk in a moment. All right, that's enough. Potatoes to carrots, the total is 5 to 2 to 7. How many times the total weight of both ingredients was the weight of the potatoes? Oh, total weight of both. So, and I got that wrong, by the way. Come on, get back here. Why is that not? Hang on. Okay, I got the second one wrong. It's the potatoes is 5 units. The total weight is 7. Finally, the potatoes is 9 pounds more than the carrots. 5 units here, 2 here. The 9 pounds represents 3 units. 9 divided by 3, meaning each unit is 3. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 times 7 is 21 pounds. This one's taking a little bit long. There's a lot of problems. Okay, pause me, starting in 5 seconds. All right, ratio of yellow to the brown, 3 to 1. Yellow to the entire wall, 3 to 4. How many times the area of the wall is the area that's brown? 1 to 4. And if the wall is 8 square meters, how much is yellow? Oh, see, I goofed that one up too. How much is yellow is going to be 6 square meters. The whole thing's 8, then each unit's 2, so it's 6 square meters. Oh, yay, we got to the last one. Pause it. Then we'll go through this in 5 seconds and I'll wrap it up. All right, here's all my work for this one. 5 times as many U.S. as foreign, so as U.S. to foreign to total is 5 to 1 to 6. Comparing the U.S. to the total is 5 to 6. Foreign to the total is 1 to 6. And if he's got 140 more U.S. stamps than foreign stamps, that 140 encompasses 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 140 divided by 4 is 35. 1 unit is 35. 35 times 6 is 210. All right, that's the end of the chapter. I'm going to join you briefly for a chapter review. And very briefly, I might not even go through it. I'll just introduce it. And that's it. Farewell. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Peace out. We'll see you next time. Bye.